Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Step by Step, where we make mastering English fun and simple. In today's lesson, we're diving into metaphors and extended metaphors. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own powerful metaphors and weave extended metaphors into your writing like a pro. Let's get started. First, what is a metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two unlike things without using like or as. It's a way of saying something is something else to create a vivid picture in the reader's mind. For example, her smile is sunshine. We're not saying her smile is like sunshine, we're saying it is sunshine. This makes the imagery more vivid and impactful. Why should we use metaphors in our writing? Metaphors make your writing more engaging and memorable. They help readers connect emotionally to your ideas by painting pictures with words. 1. Creates vivid imagery. 2. Engages the reader's imagination. 3. Simplifies complex ideas. 4. Adds emotional depth. Now let's learn how to write a metaphor. Here's a simple, 3-step process. 1. Identify the idea or object you want to describe. 2. Think of another object or idea that shares similar qualities. 3. Combine them into a sentence where one is the other. Let's break that down further with examples and tips. Suppose you're writing about someone who's very determined. Start by asking, what's something that embodies determination? Maybe a mountain climber or a river carving its path through rock. Now create a metaphor. She is a river carving through stone. Here's another tip. Think about the emotions or qualities you want to convey. If you want to describe joy, you might think of sunlight or a blooming flower. Then write, his laughter is sunlight warming the room, or her happiness is a blooming garden. Be creative and let your imagination guide you. A quick warning, avoid overused metaphors like time is money unless you can give them a fresh twist. Instead, try something unique that reflects your voice as a writer. For example, instead of time is money, you could write, time is a thread slipping through the needle of life. This makes your metaphor more original and impactful. Here are more examples of metaphors. The world is a stage, and we are all actors. Her heart is a locked treasure chest. The classroom was a zoo, full of wild energy. Ideas are seeds waiting to grow. Next, what are extended metaphors? An extended metaphor takes a basic metaphor and develops it further, comparing the same two things over several sentences or even paragraphs. It's like stretching the metaphor to create a bigger picture. Life is a journey. Each day is a new step, some smooth and easy, others rocky and challenging. The road twists and turns, revealing surprises at every corner. In this example, life is compared to a journey, and this idea is developed with details about the road, steps, and surprises. Here's how you can craft your own extended metaphor in 4 steps. 1. Start with a strong metaphor. 2. Think about related qualities or actions of the metaphor. 3. Expand on those qualities with details. 4. Ensure it fits naturally into your writing. Let's explore these steps in detail. First, choose a central idea and a metaphor to represent it. For instance, if you're describing someone's emotions, you might say, her emotions are a storm. Now think about how storms behave. They can be wild, unpredictable, or calming after they pass. Next, expand on these qualities. You could write, her emotions are a storm, fierce and unrelenting. At times, thunder roared through her words, and rain streaked down her face. But after the tempest passed, a peaceful stillness settled over her, like a clear sky after the rain. See how we built the imagery step by step? Here are more examples of extended metaphors. 1. Creativity as a garden. Creativity is a garden. Ideas are seeds, scattered across fertile soil. Some sprout into vibrant blooms, while others take longer to break through the surface. With patience and care, the garden flourishes, but without attention, weeds of doubt can take over. 2. A person's life as a book. His life is a book, each chapter filled with lessons and adventures. Some pages are dog-eared from being revisited, while others are smudged with tears. The ending is still unwritten, but every day adds a new sentence to the story. 3. Love as a fire. Love is a fire. It starts as a spark, igniting the coldest hearts. When nurtured, it grows into a warm, steady flame that lights up the darkest nights. But if neglected, it can burn out, leaving behind only ashes of what once was. Finally, make sure your extended metaphor flows naturally and fits the tone of your writing. An extended metaphor should enhance your story, not distract from it. Keep it consistent and avoid mixing metaphors. For example, don't start with a storm and suddenly switch to describing a wildfire. Now it's your turn. Here are 2 prompts. Pause the video and try creating a metaphor and an extended metaphor for each. 1. Write a metaphor to describe time. 2. Write an extended metaphor about a person's emotions being like the ocean. Don't forget to share your metaphors in the comments section below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Let's recap. Today we learned that a metaphor compares 2 unlike things to create vivid imagery, and an extended metaphor develops that comparison further. With practice, you'll use these techniques to make your writing more engaging and creative. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to English Step by Step, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.